So today we got a 6-inch Orbital sander. It comes with a lot of accessories. It comes with sandpaper that from 80 to 220 with an Allen wrench, a nice handle. One thing you gotta be aware, it's a little bit heavy, it's nice. And it has an attachment here for your a bag or your vacuum. That's really nice if you use that. So on this Orbital sander, the nice thing about it has the speeds on the side and it comes with a protector. So this is a wood shop. That's what I need it for big countertops. But you can use it for granite. A lot of guys that do marble. It is a really nice sander for that as well. So this attachment, the cover, since I'm in a wood shop, I don't need it. I remove it, you just clip it off. That's how easy it is. The sandpaper is Velcro. The Allen wrenches, they sell attachments for stick on, but I like Velcro for the dust. It tells you the grip, and it has a Velcro right here, so it's really easy to attach. You just put it like this, and it's really nice. The nice thing about this new sandpaper, it has a lot of holes. You don't have to worry about lining them up anymore. Now we're gonna put that attachment, since it's brand new. It has two covers, left and right, if you're left-handed or right-handed. And it's really easy to remove. We're just gonna remove it with a flat screwdriver. So this is good if you're doing something big and you wanna have all your support when you're sanding on a big piece of counter, whatever you're doing, wood or marble. So today we're gonna show you to change the speed mode. So here on the side is where you change the speed on the sander.